Hey, what's up? It's Wael with Blockchain Academics, and I'm bringing you guys this huge opportunity. So, is Bitcoin Cash dead, or is it going to pump? Let's take a look at this. First of all, there's so many people against Bitcoin Cash, saying Bitcoin Cash is a scam, it's a Ponzi, it's not going to work, but we're going to just look at the technicals. It doesn't really matter about everything else, all the news you're seeing. Also, in addition, take this in, Roger Ver, he does a great job of pumping this coin up. And when it pumps impulsively, like nobody's business. So let's quickly look at market cycles so I can kind of explain to you what I'm seeing and where and why I think this is a great opportunity and not just a pump and dump or a Ponzi or whatever, because we're just going to look at the graph. So this is the Wall Street cheat sheet. It's a psychology of the market. This is emotions, and it plays the cycle over and over again. So right here you can see disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. This is when Bitcoin was at 20 grand. Everybody wanted to sell their house, their car, whatever it was, to just get into Bitcoin because it was going to 100 grand. It was not going to stop. Then you get this big drop, comes back up. Everybody's complacent. Okay, it's going to go back up. It just needed a little steam off the top. And then it goes boom, and it comes back down. And now everybody's panicking, selling. There's anger, depression, and then it goes over and over again, and the next pump is sometimes bigger. So these are just simple market cycles, and the patterns come over and over again in any marketplace. So let's go back to the chart so I don't bore you guys, because I'm seeing a huge opportunity here. People say Bitcoin Cash is dead, but let's look at it. Here you can see perfect market cycle from here up, another perfect market cycle. Look at where it went. P5. Let's see how much gains that is from here to the top. Let's get it. That's 880%. Come back down here, pumped again. Came back down here, pumped again. So do you guys see where I'm going with this? This coin moves impulsively up, and you just need to time the perfect entry. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeing. So if you can just take a look at this. It's the same thing we see here over and over again. So let's kind of break down this chart. I'm not going to go too deep with using indicators because there's no point. I don't want to lose you guys either. So let's just look at some of the numbers. This, when it pumped, let's do it like that. It was a span of 10 days. And then from there, it dropped for about 67 days. It pumped span of 12 days. So that's two similar pumps. And then the drop span about 29 days. So that was a longer drop the first time. This pump consisted of about 9 days. And then let's see how long it took for it to come back down. 117 days. This pump 22 days, a bit longer, but this has been dropping for a good time now, almost 133 days, so it's dropped longer than each one of them. When I look at this, these are the times to buy in these zones. I wouldn't buy any time else or anywhere else. So, and these lows right here, you see this got lower than the zone, but it came back up. This could have triggered some stop losses. So this is the time to be buying Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to be showing you guys different charts as well. But take a look at this. Let's just draw some very quick support levels. I'll use this. Horizontal line. Right there. Right there works. Okay, I need to click it again. Right there works. For sure, yeah, for sure here, and then the top here, and then this is its all-time high right here, which was crazy. I did witness that. I didn't sell that high, but so let's say you get in here today. I can see the coin hitting back there at 45%. Let's see, it goes to its next high, 110%. 156%, and then it's high where it's hit four different times, 235% from this price. Crazy. So let's remove all these drawing tools. Remove all drawing tools, and let's use the Fibonacci because you guys can see something similar using it. Let's take it from right here, place it to its high. So these are kind of similar points, like right here. Look, it's very interactive on these points. It's like spot on. It hit here, came back down. Hit here, came back down. As well as here, it did shoot above, but you can see that these points are very interactive. So if you want to use Fibonacci, or if you wanted to just draw your own resistance lines, these are places where you would take profit. So if you wanted to buy here, let's say you wanted to buy here, and check out the volume, it's creeping down a lot. So I think smart money is going to come in here and they're going to pump this coin like we saw every other time Bitcoin Cash got pumped. A lot of news comes out, FUD comes out, more miners transfer to the Bitcoin Cash network. Whatever happens, it goes up. And I don't think it's going to stop going up. So this is the best time to accumulate. Let's say you wanted to accumulate some Bitcoin Cash here. It's right here. Brush. Right here. I'm not telling you guys to go all in. This is not even financial advice. This is just a tip. So if you wanted to scale your buy, let's say you bought 10% worth here. If you think it's going to keep going down, buy another 20% here. Then buy another 40% here. So you're at 40, 20, and 10. So you're at 60%, and then you could buy the next 40% here. You know what I mean? So you want to ladder your buys. You're not just going to go all in. And when I talk about all in, I'm not even talking about all of your capital, just the all in, the specific amount you had set for this trade. So if you're trading with $100,000 and you want to put $2,000 in here, yeah, only put $200 here. Maybe put $600 here, another $600 here, and then the rest here. You know what I mean? Ladder those buys. So this chart's looking beautiful. Let's look at it in the USD, because this is against Bitcoin, and a lot of you guys want to stack up Bitcoin, so this is a great way to get Bitcoin. And this is the accumulation phase. When everybody's depressed, sad, saying, oh, this is never going to go back up, these are the times to buy. So let's go into the USD. Bitfinex looks very similar, just less pumps. Look at this huge pump, and now it's coming back down to its support. We could say it right here. Also, yeah, right there too, which it's lower than. So right here, you can see it's bounced on there, even on here, and use this as resistance too. So this is the zone you would want to be buying in. People were saying Bitcoin Cash is going to 10 grand. Now look at it. It's so low right now. So look at, it's never been here for, let's see. It's ranged in this zone for 47 days. So it can come back down cheaper. I'm not telling you, like I said, not to go all in, just to be like watching this coin and have it as an investment or as a coin that you'd be watching, put it on your checklist, whatever it be. But watch this. I was right on the Ethereum pair. Another good tip is if this chart looks good against Ethereum, if it looks good against US dollar, and if it looks good against Bitcoin, I would give it a buy because it looks good against all three pairs. So let's check out Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum. Okay, I already have some drawings here. This is when I put up a chart a long time ago. I got the buy-in around here. Even if you still held from where I said to buy, you'd be up 61%. 250 days. It was a long time ago. Now we're looking at it again. This one is kind of progressively going up, so this is a good sign. Sorry, where is the line? Right here. This is progressively going up. So this is a good sign. It looks good on all charts. It looks the super best on Bitcoin Cash versus BTC. Like I said, it all depends on how risky you want to be, but this looks really good. So all the haters saying Bitcoin Cash is dead, Bitcoin Cash this, it really doesn't matter. Do you want to make profit or not? Do you want to get in on the trade or not? Do you really care about the specifics behind it? We got a strong player behind it. That's Roger Ver, his team, and they'll pump this coin up. So another tactic to use is if you're going to buy right here, let's put the line first. If you're going to buy right here, no, get rid of that line. Right here, even right here, let's put two lines. One here, let's get rid of that. Okay, that's all right, that could stay. So if you're going to buy around here, or let's say you wait for this entry to come, perfect, because that looks like great support. Let's go long position. You get in an entry here. That's where your long is. That's the goal that we're going for. And you could put a 10% or even 5% risk, or 10%. So look at this. You're going for 354% and you're risking 10%. These are the trades you want to go for. Higher win-loss ratio. So that's about it. Hopefully you guys can take a look at Bitcoin Cash yourselves, make the decision yourselves. This isn't financial advice. For more opportunities like this, follow us, like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to be coming out with a ton of valuable information, opportunities, contests, scams, so you guys can watch out and save your money. So that's about it. Enjoy the day and make some Bitcoin. So I'll see you guys in the next video.